are pleased to show you the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, panic alarm, overhead console, day and night rear view mirror, tachometer, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.